When you make a drawing of a sheet metal part, it's essentially the same as any other drawing. You insert the views, annotations, and dimensions as needed to detail your part. There are some options, however, that will affect the appearance of flat patterns of sheet metal parts. Here, I have a drawing with 3 views of a sheet metal part. What I'd like to do is add another view showing the flat pattern of this part. Before I add the view, let's take a look at the Options drop-down menu. On the Document Properties tab, there's a section specific to sheet metal. There are 2 main sections here. First, you see a listing of different items that will show up in a sheet metal flat pattern, along with the color setting for each. To illustrate this, I'll change bends in the up direction to blue and bends in the down direction to red. On the lower part of the screen, I have the option of enabling the display of sheet metal bend notes. I'll check this option and use the Above Line style and click OK. Now, let's focus on adding a flat pattern view into a sheet metal drawing. From the Drawing toolbar, I'll select Model View. And from the Model View list, I'll select Flat Pattern. I'll click in the open area of my drawing sheet, and the view is added. You can see the bend lines are shown in red. If you remember, this is the color I set for bends in the down direction. Each bend line also has a note indicating the angle and direction of the bend. The format of these notes is controlled by a file in your SOLIDWORKS installation directory. The file is called bendnoteformat.txt, and it's found in your SOLIDWORKS installation folder, then the Lang subfolder, then English, or whichever folder matches your installed language. One more thing regarding bend lines. If you wish to hide the bend lines, you can do so from the Feature Manager tree. Expand the view that corresponds to your flat pattern and expand the part's feature list. You'll see the flat pattern feature at the bottom. Expand this feature and hide the bend line sketch by right-clicking on it and selecting Hide. Note that if your bend lines have notes associated with them, the notes will be deleted when the bend lines are hidden.